In this video, I'll show you how to have two Outlook accounts on one computer. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is open up your Outlook application on your computer. And once you open it up, you're going to go to the top navigation and you're going to see Tools. You click on Tools and you're going to click on Accounts. Now, under Accounts, you can see the main account that I have here. When we go back, it's going to give us the option to add an account. Now, this is where you're going to add your already existing Outlook account. Once you add it, you're going to go through the normal authentication process where you can sign in. If you don't have another account, you can come here and click on Create New Account, and Outlook is going to open up a dialog box for you to create a new account, and you can then add this account to your application and you can have multiple accounts. Now, that's how you have two Outlook accounts on one computer. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.